Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Google Maps for driving. So let's get right into it. Now, you can use Google Maps for driving on the app version. I'm using the web version and I'll show you guys something around uh, I'll show you something similar, but not the same as on the web version. You can still use it for determining driving routes on the PC or on the web version. However, if you're stationary, you won't be able to use it while driving as a GPS. But let me just stop beating around the bush and let me just show you what I mean. So, for example, if you're using your mobile device, you can turn your location on, and that location is going to be shown on the map. So, for example, let's say that my current location is somewhere here on 6th Avenue. I'll just mark it as directions from here, and let's say that this is my starting location. This is my physical location as well as my starting location. Now, if I were on the phone, I could pick any other destination over on the map. So, for example, West 29th, somewhere like here, and that would show me the location. Well, on the mobile version, you need to tap and hold, and then it won't show you the route immediately. However, you can then choose directions to show you the route. Now, as you can see on the PC, you can choose the best travel modes, the route in a car, route in transit, walking, cycling, etc., etc. But if you use the web version, you can very easily just select directions, or you can even select start immediately, and you'll be able to select the car for driving, and then that'll show you precisely what you need to do. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.